strong.
Hello everyone and welcome to G-Dod Lifestyle channel. This will be my first tutorial video and I like to show you how to measure distances using Google Maps. There are a lot of uses of Google Maps in our everyday life activities, and this particular one, I would like to make it a bit of a fun activity for everyone. So let's start by going to my favorite golf course in Australia. Let's type my favorite golf course here. Can you guess? I think you can. If you have seen the other videos posted in my channel, you would know it's Hartfield Country Club. Yes, that's the one. And it automatically went to my club there, Hartfield Golf Club. So to give you an overview of Hartfield, this is in Western Australia. See, 90 Hartfield Road, Forcefield, Western Australia. Okay, so as you can see, there are a few holes here. So, and zoom in, let's press plus here. You will then see that building there. That's where the club is. And here is the pro shop. We park our cars over here, and then we, of course, pay our competition fee here. We do our practice in the practice ground here. We do our putting here. We do our chipping here. And there's a little bit of bunker to practice your bunker shots here too. And then on the left side, there's also another practice green here. This is the practice green, and this is the chipping area. And this is where the um, a little bunker where you can do your practice bunker shots as well. Now, on this part here, as you can see, there is a little access road that leads to here. This is the driving range. So in this row here, this is where the golfers will line up and then hit their range balls to this direction here. Okay, just a quick tour of our golf course, Hartfield Golf Club. Now, let's go back to our task for this video, which is um, just measuring distances. So this is a good example of how to measure distances because um, Hartfield has long holes, and let's give you an example for this tutorial video. Hole 1. Now hole 1 is the tee area here where the men's tees are, is in this one. It's very close to the pro shop or the club building, and the ladies tee is somewhere here. The green is across here, and so now for this measurement, let's say we'll measure from the women's tees or the ladies tees. So when I click on it, it automatically gives me the latitude and longitude. That's the GPS coordinates, negative 32, which is what it means is that this location, this point here, is 32 degrees south or below the equator. And 116 degrees is in with reference to the longitude of the earth, and we are 116 degrees away from it. Okay, so we have clicked this portion here and I want to measure, so just right click and this selection comes up. I want to measure distance, and so that activated there. I just need to click my next point. So I select this point and it showed me that's 162 meters there. And if I click another um, in here, that will show me through 311 meters. So from the ladies tee to the green, that's around 311 meters there. Now, to save these, say for example, I want to um, share this um, map to my friend, a golfer friend, and say, hey, hole number one is 311 meters. Oh, that gives them an indication of what clubs they're gonna use for the first shot. For me, I would probably drive to here and then take 2 shots to the green, right? And then 2 putts, hopefully that will still give me a bogey. Or if I'm very lucky, I can hit my third shot close to the pin and I can still do par. Lucky me. All right, so for now, I would like to create some saving and some sharing. So I would like to share this online and to my maps. Um, but in this view from Google Maps, let's say if it will allow us. So I've got maps, I got see all your maps. Okay, I've done this one here before, but I like to create a map for this particular one. Say I would like to create a map and let's see what it gives me. All right, so it pointed me to an untitled map in Google My Maps. All right, that's fine. So what it means is that I had to redo it again and show you how to do it once I am in Google My Maps. So in this search cell, I would like to put my Hartfield golf club there again and see what it does. There it is, automatically showed me this same location. It even given me the details, how to contact the golf course and so on and so forth. That's that made it easy. Now the layer of the satellite layer is gone. So what I'm gonna do is I say add layer. No, not add layer. Go to base map. So this base map gives you a selection of maps, and I like the satellite map. So I select satellite map because it gives me nice colors and like I'm watching it from the top, right? So I'll show you first the overview of this golf course, and there it is. See all these long greens here? They are the holes. And the ones that I've shown you before was hole one, right? So let's go click this plus, and there it is. I'm back to hole one, right? Okay, let's close this name there. And now I'm gonna do some measurement, right? That was my first task, to measure the distance from the ladies' tee to the green. Now, in here, up here, you can see a few task bar here, there. When you toggle your mouse, it just measure distances and areas. And this one is add directions. This one, you can draw a line. Here, you could add a marker here you can select items using this hand, and then you can also undo your work or redo. That's good. And so this is where you can also do your search. You just type what you want to search and then press this magnifier, and then it should point you to the direction you're looking for if it's in the Google Maps. Now let's start by measuring. I will click the ruler icon and I will do a click on this part here because this part is the lady's T. Okay, there it is. It automatically create that blue dot, and see when I move this, it gives me that distance. Yep, from there to there, it's 100 from there to there. But I will just keep it to the center of the golf course. I mean, in hole 1, and I say, if I do my drive here, I need to have at least 159 to be able to see the green from that point. And then as I do a click and then extend, release that click, it positions it right there, and then I would like to end my measurement here. So it's 311 meters, just like the one we had before. Let's double click, and now I'm free of that measuring ruler function. And my next um, task now is to label it. So how to label this is where we can label. We'll just add a marker. I like to add a marker here. Ah, yes, there it is. It's showing me it's a point 1, but I can rename it and say that's hole 1 green. Yep. And oh, if I like to add a description, I can say it's 311 meters. Ladies T to green. Yep. And save. That's it. Now, from the ladies T, I can also do um, like another label. Yeah. So I can add a marker and say that's the hole 1 ladies T. Or I'll just say hole 1 as the marker's name, and I want to put this here as ladies T. Save. Okay, so to make it more visual and more symbolic, I would like to change this icon. See this portion here? There's a style here. Oh, this will give you colors too. So if you want, if you I like a fuchsia color, yeah, for women, yeah, that's has changed automatically there. And I would like the icon to be like a person swinging. Yeah, so okay, here it is. Golf swing. There it is. It's there and locked in. Now I would like to change this label marker here into something um, more symbolic as well rather than that. So if it's green, how about, well, if I mark it as green, then and the background is green already, maybe it's not a good idea. Let's just keep that as blue, and then I just would like to change a nice icon there which represents the flag. Okay, the flag, the flag, the flag. There, I found it. A flag sign. Okay, that's that. And then there it is. So I got my flag symbol. I got that. And if you want that measurement to come back, just do a click on it. And yes, there it is. It's back. again, double click to keep it there and close this. Then now I would like to see where it went. So it went to the untitled layer. So you can actually do some more styling here. What does it say? Individual styles, no labels, etc. But for now, my main um, aim here is to change this untitled layer to something more sensible for my map. I'll say rename this layer. So I'll just say it's hole 1 map. Okay. All right. That's there. And the untitled map, we can change that as well. And so how to change that is I just do a click on this portion here, check, and it should then give me that untitled map for revision. And I will just call it Hartfield Golf Club Hole 1. Okay, and the description, I just say measure distance from ladies tee to the green, and that's it. Save it. All good. And now I want to share this. Okay, so when you do add a share, see um, it's coming from me, and see here, this is the URL. All you can do is copy this, click that, and it should give you, but I think for anyone to view this map, okay, hold on. I don't want anyone, other people seeing my name and photo on this map. I can disable this, and I just would like to share anyone with this link uh, for viewing. Yeah, so I can activate this one. And there it is. Now the gray one is now darker black line, so that means that it's ready to be copied. Once it clicks there, it says the link copied. Oh, it disappeared. But yeah, you can just copy and paste this to your uh, email, and that's it. That's how you share it. And then after that, you can close this, and that's still there. You can still see that when you open this later on. And I hope you like this video. It's a simple trick in Google Maps. So again, to be able to do this, you need to have been signed in to the Google Maps. You need your Gmail account to be able to activate that. And then when you click and create a map, it will direct you to Google My Maps. And hopefully this is a helpful tutorial for now, and let's do some more hacks later, and would be more interesting and more challenging for anyone who has a very smart and clever mind. Thank you for watching, and see you then. Bye for now.